What's up guys, this is Michael and welcome to Naked Crypto. So today's video I'm going to do the update on the trend lines. So this is the video part 2. So if you didn't watch the video part 1, so go back there. So by the way, my name is Michael of Naked Crypto. Naked Crypto because I don't use indicators. And make sure to read the disclaimer. Empty your cup so that it may be filled. So we are still on the lesson 2 part 2, okay, of trend lines. Okay, lesson 2 trend lines part 2. Okay, last video we are on the monthly. We identify from high to low, from low to high, from high to low, low to high, stuff like that, okay? So now we are on the monthly. How about on the daily or lower time frame? So let's dive in. So if we go to the lower time frame, let's say daily, this is massive guys. So same thing from low to high and from high to low. So right now we can also check the trend lines from the lower time frame. Some similar like this. Let's change the color so that it's not confusing. Let's say let's say yellow. So from low to high. So same thing guys. So the price reacted on these levels. Look at that, almost here. Same thing. Another one here. Touch here. So before it break. Another one here. The price breakdown here. Something like that. Price break on this trend line. And here. Price break on this trend line. 3-point contact. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 before it breaks. Somewhere here, let's see. So look at that. 1, 2, 2, 3. Similar that. 1, 2, 3. Several touches here before it breaks to the upside. And from here to here. So 1, 2, 3. Look at that. 3. And before it breaks to the downside. And of course it also touched on the previous one from the monthly that we draw. So similar here guys. So here, so almost here, 2, 3, 4 before it breaks to the downside. Somewhere here. So 1, 2, 3, the third one break to the upside, and the price tried to break down on this trend line here, but it failed. It went back again, and finally it break now to the downside. Okay, so look at that. If we extend it, look at that guys. If we extend it, look at that one. So if we extend it, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at that. 7, 8. If you go to the lower time frame, look at that. It touched here. Okay. Similar here. So there you go, guys, on the daily chart. Okay. Same thing. Let's say if we go also to the 4-hour. Same thing guys, same thing, like this, like this. Something to be aware guys. This is not a strategy, just something that you have to get hang of it. Okay, now you know how to do the trend lines. Even we go to the daily, same thing, same principle. Same principle on the daily. Same principle. There you go. Same thing. Okay. From low to high, from high to low. Same thing. From high to low. There you go. Price broke on the trend line. Same thing. There you go. Same thing. Okay. Okay, let's go to Bitcoin. So from high to low, low to high. I actually discussed this last time. So anyway, this is on the daily. I actually predicted twice from here to here. Okay, if you watched my video last time, this is how I predicted the crash of Bitcoin twice. So from here to here. So how many touches here? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I predicted the first crash of Bitcoin last 2021, and that's how I did. And the other crash is somewhere here at December 21, twice on the same year. Okay, so that's how simple, guys, but simple but yet powerful. So another thing, guys, something to think about. Look at that, beautiful. So this is now your primary trend line, and this is your secondary trend line. So that's how you do it, guys. The price broke already on the secondary trend line, and we are now on the primary trend line for Bitcoin. So what do you think, guys? So comment down below, what do you think, guys? Comment down below if we are already on the bull market or we are still on bear market. Okay, so let's go to the 4-hour chart then. So similar, guys. So now we are now on the 4-hour chart. So let's see from here to here. Look at that. 1, 2, and the price go up. And here's another trend line to see here, somewhere here. So the price reacted on these areas here, and the price go up. Of course, this one didn't happen. Let's say okay, so let's pretend this thing didn't happen yet. So right now, so let's say this thing didn't happen yet. So of course your trend line would be here, and after that this thing happened already, then your you have to move your trend line now here, something like that. So how you do it, start from very low, guys. Okay, same thing from the principle, start from the very low to the high. So there you go, guys. The price reacted on this area and went go down, and the price, so from the high to higher low, and after that the price go up, and here you go again from the low to higher high, higher high. So what happened? The price did sideways here though, and here from the high to the higher low, and higher low, and look at that, the price go up here, and the price again tried to reacted on these levels. It tried to break, and it break here. Yeah, it's more of doing sideways here. Another one here from lower low to lower high, and another lower high here, lower high, and the price go down. Okay, so let's go to the 1 hour. Let's see how we plot this one. So there you go, guys. From lower low, higher low, and another higher low here, and the price go down here, but the price just doing sideways here. So another example here is this one, from higher high to higher low, and the price go up here. And another thing here, from higher high, higher low, higher low, higher low, and now the price go up. So anyway, guys, if you have questions, just comment down below, and I'll do the next video for clarification. If not, I'll move on to the next video. Okay, this is Michael, Make It Crypto. Thank you for watching. Plan your trade, trade your plan. Much love, trade, breed, passion. Later.